So in this video, we will discuss to create a transaction using a stored procedure in MySQL. So you can use start transaction, commit and rollback statement within the procedure body. A transaction ensures that a series of MySQL statement as a single unit of work, and either all the changes are applied or committed or none of them means rollback, or in case of an error or specific condition. So here an example of creating a stored procedure that performs a transaction. So let us use a transaction in MySQL. uh, Before write the MySQL statement, just brief the advantage of transaction. uh, Transaction in MySQL offers several advantage, where suppose where multiple operations need to be executed as a single unit, ensuring data integrity, consistency, atomicity, concurrency control, rollback, commit, testing, debugging, data recovery, etc. So there are many advantages of the transaction. So let us write the now create the procedure. So this procedure name, okay, begin, okay, declare exit handler. Exit handler means to handle exception or errors that may occur within the transaction. When exception occurs, it roll back the transaction and re-erase the exception. Okay, and roll back, re-signal, and now start transaction. Okay, actually, rollback, if an error occurs at any point within the transaction, the rollback statement executed which undoes all changes made within the transaction. Now insert the value. Okay, commit. Okay, and okay, okay. Now call the procedure. Now call the procedure. Okay. Now select table. Okay, so we can check. We have just insert the value name Priyanka Singh. Wish you happy birthday. So here in this table, this is the Priyanka Singh. Wish you happy birthday. Okay. So we have discussed what is transaction. We have discussed advantage of the transactions, and how to write a code in MySQLs. Okay. So please like this channel and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.